Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about CFO's role in digital transformation. As you know, this channel is dedicated to emerging technologies and digital transformation. Everyone is very keen to adopt to digitization. Digitization process mainly starts with the top management team. And CFOs play a very important role into all those decisions. So I am going to look at it, how present CFOs roles are there and where in this new emerging technologies where they can contribute. So the present responsibilities what CFOs are working is more onto financial controls and reporting, typically profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, all those are there. The next one is some financial planning, budgets, allocation, and then about the expenses and its analysis and all that. Another is financial audits, which they have to do and submit those various documents to government and regulatory authorities to comply company law, all those details. They also do the budgets and work out the financial planning, cash flows and all for the current year, next year, quarter-wise, year-wise and all that. Some of those CFOs, they also look at it in the product costing and profitability management and all. So those decisions are there. So more or less, these are the responsibilities are there. Now, when we are looking at it for digital adoption or digital base and digital transformations and all, CFOs have play important role because they know the heart of the working about each and every corporate. So they should really draw the digital goals or the vision for the company and link up their financial goals or financial vision matching with the digital, how that digital can help them to get the real-time data, accurate data, in-time data for their decision making. So they should really prioritize those areas or those operations or the processes which can really help them in digital transformation. Then they have to work out the strategy planning in consultation with all various stakeholders. When I say stakeholders, it's you have to consider the demand planning, you have to consider the supplier planning, you have to consider the outsourced contract manufacturing, you have to also consider the stakeholders like warehouses, distributors, transporters, maybe even investors, all that. So we have to build that common vision and then draw the strategy, like where you want to focus it out, which area you want to concentrate, and then work out what should be the budget, what are the present risk factors are there, how you will reduce the risk, what should be the priorities on to be considered, and then the phasing of that, because this is a large project. Transformation is a huge project. It runs maybe a couple of years or maybe even up to 5 years also. Then draw a business case, what you expect and what benefits you can derive from that actually. And then monitor those things. When you start with a small project, how it is performing it, because there is the investment about the training to the people, changeover, maybe you are buying some hardware, maybe software, some external consultants, all those things have to be taken into consideration and then monitored. Then comes the skills training. The skills presently using some technology. So technology is changing. So technical training is required. Your business processes are changing. So those process changes also needs to be monitored. And then those change management training is also essential. Your business processes are changing. So re-engineering is required. And finally, you have to reward to the teams so that they get motivated, because when the people are driving this whole process of transformation, so that is there. And then you have to build up a strategic relationship in developing an ecosystem. Instead of presently the distributor, transporter, or supplier, you build up a strategic relationship, a long-term relationship. So both of them have a same goal of achieving some business targets, goals, and develop relationship for betterment with the customers and all that. So this is the role which CFOs should look at it and should adopt into this actually. I just wanted to share these thoughts, and I hope these ideas will be useful to get a success in your digitization project. Feel free to contact us if you need more information. We are available to help you and support to you for your success. Thank you. Bye.